everyone, today we're gonna unbox the T-Rex Mighty set. We got here the Mighty Megasaur T-Rex. So this is here. So my Lola will buy this one, and this one. So and then look what happened.
The other way. Cool.
And then let's unbox it now. Oh, it's hard.
Need help?
Yes.
Go.
And then guys, and
Need help again?
I tried to pull it out. So guys, let's go there to see how it walks. Okay, let's see. There, that way.
No, the other way. Remove your hand, they can see it. Sige, turn it again. To the right, yan.
Whoa, cool! Try it again. There's another.
Turn it some more. It's going to fall off the table. Okay. So,
That's it.
what's that toy again? You tell them what toy it is.
So this is a T-Rex, and then I'm going to show you what happens if you pull it.
No, what's the name of the toy?
T-Rex.
No, Mighty
Megasaur.
Megasaur.
So it
Here.
works like this.
Okay.
So,
Tell them where you bought it, so
bought-
they know where to buy if they want one.
I buy it to I buy this in SM Marikina.
Toy Kingdom, SM Marikina.
I buy this on Toy
Bought
Kingdom
this.
SM Marikina.
Okay. I
And-
would say bye.
And bye everyone. If you like this, you give us a thumbs up.
Okay.
And then click on the below that says subscribe. Bye everyone.